Hey everyone, so I decided to move on to the next palette because I noticed that these colors are very similar. The warm colors in here are very similar to the warm colors in here. So you got the lime green, the gold, and the aqua, and this has a lime green, gold, and a teal. So I'm just going to go ahead and move on to the C2 palette. Well, on my eyes, this color right here, it's called Bach Blue. It's, you know, like a teal. It's a blue with gold shimmer. Start with this gorgeous teal color. The name of it is Sky Rise. That is gorgeous. I'm going to go into this color and use that as my transition color. It's called Caramel. Oh, dang it. That blue is so intense. Some of it got on. Dang it. Alright, let's just see what happens as I blend it out. Because I am going to put a contour color there. And then I'm going to go into this color right here for the contour color. And this one's called Young Blood. Very nice. I'm gonna go into this pretty peach right here. It's called Elevate. I'm gonna use that as the highlight color. Okay, so I'm just going to put regular black liner mascara, finished my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I did decide to incorporate this by putting this turquoise color in the inner corners. I used the blush in the palette right there. The lip gloss flicker on my lips, and I just used the highlighter in this Sunset Junction. So that's what I did with that. I just wanted to quickly tell you, I just been cutting down my nails. It's like I am so into crocheting that I don't even want to deal with my nails right now. And not just that, I lost my coarse file that I used to, you know, smooth out any ridges. Almost finished with the Bioset spray, and Sally's is closed. They decided, I don't know why all of a sudden they decided to close now when they've been talking about reopening the stores here in Houston to help with the economy. So anyway, I need a new file and I need a new spray, a new Bioset spray. So I've just been cutting them down. I've just been putting just regular nail hardener on them. They've been breaking. I'm not really taking care of them, so they've just been breaking anyway, and that's why this one's like kind of pointy. This one is all the way down. This one was longer, but they just break my hair. It's like they could survive almost anything but my hair. I'm brushing my hair or fixing my hair, and it just cuts right through the nail. Anyway, so that's that.